For centuries, humans have looked up at the stars and asked, "Are we alone?" It's a question that has haunted us since the dawn of civilization. We've longed to find another intelligence out there, another world like ours, a sign that we're not alone in this vast cosmic ocean. We've sent probes to the farthest corners of our solar system, robots exploring the rusty plains of Mars and diving into the icy oceans of Europa. We've built giant telescopes, scanning thousands of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant stars, searching for signs of life. And we've even intercepted strange radio signals from deep space, whispers from the unknown that send shivers down our spines. But what if I told you? We may have already found evidence of alien life. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll see why scientists believe we're closer than ever to answering the biggest question in history. To understand the search for aliens, we first need to understand life itself. What is life? Where does it come from? And how does it survive in the harshest environments imaginable? Right here on Earth, life exists in places we once thought impossible. From boiling volcanic vents spewing toxic chemicals to frozen lakes in Antarctica buried beneath miles of ice. If life can find a way to thrive in these extreme conditions here on our own planet, it begs the question, why not on other worlds? Even within our own solar system we see tantalizing hints. The icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn with their vast subsurface oceans could be home to aquatic creatures unlike anything we've ever seen. But our search for alien life goes far beyond our own solar system. Astronomers are hunting for exoplanets, worlds orbiting other stars, that might have the right conditions for life as we know it. They're looking for planets in what we call the Goldilocks zone, orbiting at just the right distance from their star, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for liquid water to exist on the surface. And guess what? We've already found over 5,000 exoplanets. Some of them are gas giants like Jupiter, but others are rocky worlds like Earth, some even orbiting within their star's habitable zone. And out of all these incredible discoveries, one planet in particular stands out as a beacon of hope in our search for extraterrestrial life. This planet isn't just in the habitable zone, it's practically our next-door neighbor, cosmically speaking at least. It's a planet that has captivated scientists and fueled our imaginations for years. It's a planet that might just be our best chance at finding aliens. Meet Kepler 442b, a planet located 1,200 light-years away in the constellation of Lyra. Now, 1,200 light-years might seem like an unimaginable distance, but in the grand scheme of the cosmos, it's practically a stone's throw away. What makes Kepler 442b special? It ticks off almost all the boxes for habitability. It orbits within the habitable zone of its star, Kepler 442, which is slightly cooler and smaller than our Sun. This means Kepler 442b receives a similar amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun, allowing for the potential for liquid water. Kepler 442b is about twice the mass of Earth and has a radius about 1.3 times that of our planet. This suggests it's a rocky planet, much like Earth, with a solid surface. Scientists believe it could have a thick atmosphere, perhaps even thicker than Earth's, which could help regulate its temperature and protect any potential life. Using powerful telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope, astronomers have been studying the atmospheres of exoplanets. When they pointed their instruments towards Kepler 442b, they found something remarkable. The light passing through Kepler 442b's atmosphere revealed the presence of molecules that could be signs of life. These molecules, while not conclusive proof of life, are often associated with biological processes here on Earth. So could we be staring at an inhabited world from across the galaxy? It's a tantalizing possibility, one that ignites our imaginations and fuels our desire to learn more. Chapter 3. For as long as humans have looked up at the stars, we've wondered if anyone was looking back. And in the vastness of space, filled with billions upon billions of stars and even more planets, it seems statistically improbable that we are truly alone. But what if those whispers from the cosmos we've been searching for have already reached us? What if, hidden within the static of space, we've already intercepted a message from an alien civilization? In 1977, a powerful radio signal was detected coming from deep space, a signal that lasted for 72 seconds and seemed to bear the hallmarks of an artificial origin. This signal, dubbed the WOW, signal for the astronomers' astonished reaction upon seeing the data, originated from the constellation Sagittarius and has never been detected again. Despite decades of searching, no explanation for the "wow" signal has been found, leading some to believe that it was in fact a message from an extraterrestrial civilization. But the "wow" signal isn't the only mysterious signal from space that has left scientists scratching their heads. In 2020, another strange radio burst was detected, this time originating from Proxima Centauri, the closest star to our own sun. This signal, known as BLC-1, was a powerful burst of radio waves that lasted for just a few milliseconds. While scientists believe that BLC-1 likely has a natural explanation, such as a stellar flare or a pulsar, its proximity to our solar system and its unusual characteristics have sparked intense speculation about its true origin. These signals, whispers from the unknown, raise profound questions about our place in the cosmos. Are these signals just random cosmic noise, or are they something more? Are we being watched by intelligent civilizations far more advanced than our own? And if we are being watched, should we try to contact them? Chapter 4. The question of whether or not we should try to contact extraterrestrial civilizations is one that has divided scientists and philosophers for decades. Some experts, like the renowned physicist Stephen Hawking, warned us of the potential dangers of reaching out to alien civilizations. Hawking argued that if an advanced alien civilization were to detect our signals, they might not be friendly. Just imagine, he said, what happened when Europeans arrived in the Americas. It didn't end well for the indigenous people. So, what happens if an alien civilization sees us the same way? What if they view Earth as a resource to be exploited, a planet ripe for the taking? It's a chilling thought, one that has fueled countless science fiction stories and kept us awake at night. However, some scientists argue that staying silent is pointless. They argue that if there are indeed advanced alien civilizations out there, they probably already know we exist. Our radio waves, television signals, and other electromagnetic emissions have been leaking into space for over a century now, creating a sphere of detectable signals expanding outward from Earth at the speed of light. So if an alien civilization has the technology to travel between the stars, they likely already have the technology to detect our presence. But if we do decide to reach out, what message should we send? How do you communicate with a civilization potentially thousands or even millions of years ahead of us technologically? Well, believe it or not, we've already sent a few messages into the cosmos, messages of hope and goodwill, hoping that someone somewhere might be listening. Chapter 5. In 1974, from the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico, a powerful radio telescope beamed a message into space, a message designed to introduce humanity to any extraterrestrial civilizations that might be listening. This message, known as the Arecibo message, was aimed at the globular star cluster M13, located some 25,000 light-years away. The message itself was a simple yet elegant series of binary code containing information about our planet and our species. It included a representation of the DNA double helix, our solar system, and even a stick figure of a human. But the Arecibo message wasn't our only attempt to reach out to the cosmos. In 1977, NASA launched the Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft, twin probes destined to explore the outer reaches of our solar system. On board each Voyager spacecraft is a golden record, a phonograph record containing a message for any intelligent life that might find it. The golden record includes greetings in 59 languages, music from around the world, and sounds from nature, a sonic time capsule of life on Earth. Both the Arecibo message and the Voyager golden records are long shots, messages in bottles cast out into the vast cosmic ocean. It's highly unlikely that either message will ever be found by an alien civilization, but just the act of sending them, of reaching out into the unknown, speaks volumes about our curiosity, our hope, and our desire to connect with something larger than ourselves. And who knows, maybe, just maybe, someone out there has already received our message. Maybe they're listening to the sounds of Earth right now, marveling at our music, our languages, and our stories. Maybe they're even preparing a reply. The answer may come sooner than we think. Outro. So, are we alone in the universe? Right now we don't know. But with new telescopes peering deeper into space than ever before, upcoming missions to Mars searching for signs of ancient life, and the continued detection of strange signals from space, we might soon have an answer. The universe is a vast and mysterious place filled with wonders we're only beginning to understand. The search for extraterrestrial life is a search for ourselves, a quest to understand our place in the grand scheme of things. And when that day comes, the day we finally discover that we're not alone, everything we know about our place in the universe will change. Subscribe to Cosmic Bite for more mind-blowing space mysteries.